How air conditioners work on a hot summer day. An air conditioner feels like a lifesaver. You press a button, and within minutes, the room fills with cool air. But how does this happen? An air conditioner doesn't create cold out of nothing. It simply moves heat from one place to another. To understand this, imagine a pump that moves water from one container to another. An air conditioner does the same thing, but instead of water, it moves heat. From the room that needs cooling, the heat is carried outside. The main parts of an air conditioner. Inside every AC unit, there are four key components. 1. Compressor, the heart of the system, compressing a special fluid called refrigerant. 2. Condenser, a coil and fan unit outside the building, where the refrigerant releases heat into the air. 3. Evaporator, the coil inside the room, where the refrigerant absorbs heat from indoor air. 4. Expansion valve, the part that controls the flow of refrigerant between these sections. The cooling cycle. It starts with the compressor, which squeezes the refrigerant into a hot, high-pressure gas. This gas flows to the condenser outside. A fan blows air across the condenser's metal fins, carrying the heat away. As a result, the refrigerant cools down and turns into a liquid, though it's still under high pressure. Next, the liquid refrigerant passes through the expansion valve. Here, the pressure suddenly drops, and part of the liquid evaporates into a cold gas. In this chilled state, it flows into the evaporator. In the evaporator, warm indoor air passes over the cold refrigerant coils. The refrigerant absorbs the heat, cooling the air that is blown back into the room. Meanwhile, the refrigerant, now warmed again, returns to the compressor, and the cycle repeats. Key principle. The important thing to remember: an air conditioner doesn't generate cold air. It removes heat from the air inside your room and moves it outside. What we feel as coolness is simply the absence of that heat. Why AC also reduces humidity. UV probably noticed that air conditioners also make the room less humid. That's because the evaporator coils are cold and water vapor from the air condenses on them. The water collects in a tray and drains outside, which is why you often see water dripping from AC units. Modern air conditioners. Many modern models don't just cool, they can also heat. In heating mode, the cycle is reversed. Heat is absorbed from the outside air and brought indoors. This makes AC a year-round comfort device. The conclusion: an air conditioner isn't a magic cold-making machine. It's a clever system that moves heat. By using the compressor, condenser, evaporator, and refrigerant, it creates a continuous cycle that cools your space. So the next time you enjoy that refreshing breeze, remember, the AC has simply taken the heat from your room and sent it outside.